Please subscribe and share. Here you are seeing the 4 feet step tiles. It's available in 4 feet and 3 feet also. Whatever you are seeing is a 3 feet. It has a different matte finish models. So mostly people are going for the wood finish, which looks elegant for whatever the flooring tiles you are using. It comes with the riser also, but it's per the users where if you are going for opt for riser, or if you're not going for opt for riser, instead of floor paint you can use it. It will be awesome to see if you go for a riser, floor paint and wood finish tread. Also it is available in one cross one also, but it will make more joints which may not be good for steps which is more than 3 feet. To whatever you are seeing, still 3 feet, so more 3 feet are available. So this is what I was mentioning about the 1 cross 1 tile for steps. Thanks for watching. Please